Okay, guys, let's start one more code for this. So, visible option values. Okay, let's say use the size attribute to specify the number of visible values. Okay, now form is this. Let's go for the label first. Label is cars. Choose a car. Okay, label closed. Then here select ID cars. Okay, name cars size 3. Okay, then I'm gonna add option uh, value Volvo. Volvo option close. Fiat, it's Fiat. Then comes its Audi. Okay, just hold on a second, guys. Then let's say SAAB, Saab. Let's close. Select. Then brake tag. Input type submit. Okay, let's close the form. See, choose a car. It's a drop down option over here. You guys can select any one of this, right? But it's a size of 3, right? Let's create more options. Tata, Toyota, uh, Honda, it's a size of 3. You guys can check it out over here, right? You can select one of them. So okay, so if you want to select multiple options, so add multiple here. Let's check. 1, 2. I think it's working or not. By using control button, right? You can select multiple options like 1. If you are using control button with this, so it's like this. You can select 2 or 3 options or more than that. Okay, now it's clear, guys. Everything is clear now about the form, how you guys can create it.
Yes, sir.
Input types are there are so many input types. Mm, HTML input types are there. There are, these are the input types, no? Text, radio, button, checkbox, button. It's color, right? After color, it's date. After date, it's email. then file, hidden image, month, number. Okay, password, radio user range, reset, and search. L is there, text is a time, URL is there, and the last is your week. Okay, and there is one more. I think it's date, time, local. Okay, these are the input types. Okay, there are so many attributes. Size we used, size attribute, disabled attributes, right? Maximum length is there. Read only attribute is there. There are so many attributes, right, that you guys can use. So guys, this is all about your HTML forms. So everything is clear till now. Just let me know about the forms, how to create it.
Yes.
Okay, now guys, let's move ahead with the HTML graphics. Okay, so guys, there are HTML canvas graphics and SVG. I'm gonna talk about the first. Let me tell you the canvas. That's the simple one. Okay, so it's HTML graphics first. There are HTML canvas, then comes your HTML SVG. Okay, so guys, let's talk about the canvas. Like what we can say is you used to draw graphics on a web page. Okay, and say the canvas element is only a container for graphics. Okay, you must use here JavaScripts. Okay, to actually draw the graphics. Okay, guys, Canvas has several methods for drawing paths, boxes, circles, text, and adding images. Okay, so that's all about uh, Canvas, but SVG is more than that. Okay, so we're gonna practice SVG. In that, you guys can cover everything, the Canvas stuff, but Canvas you have to practice it for me. Okay, just draw the designs and send it to me. Now let's talk about the SVG. Uh, it's like SVG defines vector-based graphics in XML format. So guys, first is like S SVG stands for scalable vector graphics. Second, SVG is used to define graphics for the web. Third is yeah, like two are there. So here guys, uh, the HTML SVG element is a container for SVG graphics. Okay, and SVG has several methods for drawing path boxes. The same thing like Canvas, but we guys can add colors over here. So let's start this thing. SVG with 100 height, 100. Here I'm gonna draw the circle. CX 50. It's the x-axis for the circle, so it's CX 50. And for the y-axis of the circle, I'm gonna use the same value, that is 50. Okay, and the radius is 40. Stroke means the circumference circle boundary, right? So I'm gonna add stroke. It's green. Stroke width, it's 4. Then fill, yellow. Let's close this. And let's close the SVG tag. Let's check the output, guys. So it's a circle, right? Now the same thing goes for, let's go for a SVG rectangle. Okay, so here let's take width 400, height 100. Instead of circle, I'm going to use rectangle. Width is again 400. Height is 100. Okay, then I'm going to add style. So fill. Here I'm going to use RGB value long. So 00255. It's I think the light blue or the dark blue. I don't know. Then stroke I'm going to add. I mean the boundary. Stroke width. It's 10. And stroke color is RGB 000. Okay.
So what is RGB?
I explained the color values. We can use RGB, hex, HSL, and there are a few values if you want to add transparency. That in that case, you guys can use RGBA and HSLA. I explained these color values in the previous sessions. You guys can check out the download sessions or the recorded lectures. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, it's dark blue. Okay. Now let's go for the SVG rounded rectangle. So here guys, with 100, with 400, height 100, let's say 180, because we are creating an rounded box. Yeah. Is there any doubt? Ask me in the chat section and kindly mute the mic, guys. Here I'm gonna use rectangle. So first, let's say x-axis is 50, y also 50, rx 20, ry 20, width 150, height 150, style like fill RGB, fill. Let's take the direct value over here instead of RGB. Okay, red. Uh, Stroke width, it's, let's take it as 5, and instead of this I'm gonna, instead of value I'm gonna add the direct value by the name black, and opacity over here I'm gonna add 0.5. Okay, there's some mistake here. Width 400, height 180, then rectangle x 50, y 20. Let's take rx 20, this 20. Now it's completely fine, right? Now guys, I'm gonna create an logo. After this, I'll be giving you one task for today. So let's design SVG logo. Let's say width is 500, height is 130. Okay. So here linear gradient ID it's grad1, then x1 0%, y1 it's 0%, x2 it's 100%, y2 it's 0%. Okay. Now let's use top offset 0%. Okay. Style stop color. I'm gonna add RGB value here. RGB 255 255 0. Then again stop opacity is for the transparency, that is 1. Offset it's 100%. Style stop color it's 255 00. Stop opacity it's 1. Okay. Let's close linear gradient. Okay. Lefts. Then I'm gonna add ellipse CX axis in the picture. CY axis it's 70 and radius X 85, Y 55 nearby this. Then fill uh let's take the ID. So fill URL hash grad1. Okay. Then text fill hash 6 time f123 hash 123456 font size 45 font family it's Vardhana. Okay, and X 50 Y 86 SVG. Let's close text. SVG is here. See guys, so this is SVG logo. That's how you create it. Just it's a game of colors and how you use it. So these are the graphics in HTML. Now let me tell you your task for today. Everything is clear till now. Just let me know, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, let's talk about the task. Okay. So this is your task. Of SVG color, you guys need to create a task along with this. Okay. So this is SVG task. SVG star. This is your task for today. You guys need to create this star as a task. Okay, and just practice and create few designs by using HTML canvas. Okay, it is similar to the SVG. SVG is the advanced version of canvas. So just do it and send it in the WhatsApp group. Is that clear? Task is clear?
Yes, sir.
And everything is clear till now. Just let me
Yes,
know,
sir.
guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear na? So guys, I'm gonna end this session over here only. Now we are having 2 holidays, that is Saturday or Sunday, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. So just practice hard. Go through all the lectures, recorded sessions. I'm gonna upload this session in the next half an hour, right? Before 9 p.m. So you can download it from the same drive link and just practice it day by day on the daily basis for your preparations and for the upcoming lectures. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see you guys.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you guys on Monday then.
Yes, sir.
Till then, bye bye. Take care. Good night and stay safe, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for being patient in my class.